and we're going to be unboxing some hot dog today. I got him new. It's a Skylander Giant. I know, it's kind of old, but I decided I never got him because I got Molten hot dog instead. But I decided to get number 1 so I could see the differences. And this is me, Mac McKenzie. It's just me today. And yeah, I'm just going to show you some of them. Can you see it? I think you can only see a lot. I need a good place again. Okay, I know. It's like stupid. Okay, hi guys, I hope you can see me. We're going to be unboxing this. Yeah, I noticed. Damn it. Yeah, the stupid boxes. There we go. Hello guys, and I've just opened it if you hadn't seen that. I'm not sure if you did, because you know I'm not the best at doing this junk. And yeah, we just ripped the back off. Now I'm gonna show you here. Just gonna put it there just for so you can see this. Open it up. You already like that. Probably see it now. Okay, so this is him. Add some nice and beauty on there. Here are the stats. That'll do well for our card game. Yeah, this is Molten Hot Dog. He will be added to my Skylander collection. He's gonna go down here. Oh, let's do a comparison. That is cool. Just let me get it cool. Look at that. That is cool. Okay guys, it's been unboxing. It's my first unboxing, so if you want me to see me do more better ones, these are just stats. You want to pause, look at them and jump. See, this would be good for their card game, whatever they are. And yeah, click that subscribe button and then I'll subscribe to you.